yung aircon unit niya still has physical buttons. So, it's not like yung mga nauuso ngayon na trend na parang screen lang siya na parang iPad. So, ito, you can really touch yung button. So, as far as I remember, sabi I think sa Europe, no, they're trying to bring back yung mga physical buttons kasi
Delikado kasi yung, bawa naka-touchscreen, tapos parang, saan lang yung plus volume, saan yung down, saan yung ganyan. So, hinahanap mo pa. So, you're spending so much time looking at the infotainment rather than actually concentrating on the road when you're driving. Kasi ito yung may tactile feedback na kahit di ka nakatingin, sa mga nakaabot pa, 3210, 3310, di ba? Kaya mag-text ng without looking.
ganda no.
Kaya gawin mo yan sa touchscreen, touch phone mo ngayon na iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid. So, parang, hindi, kailangan mo talaga siya tignan So, delikado So, right now, that's what they're trying to do right now. They're just trying to bring back that tactile feel na nakikita mo siya, physical buttons.
Gandang analogy yung Nokia na nagte-text sa classroom.
Diba? Hindi ka nahuhuli. Narinig ko yung click, 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 click.